Once again, 𝐷 showcasing the hottest homes in Houston, Texas. Welcome to 1118 Woodhill. We're in Timber Grove, just outside of the Greater Heights, inside the Loop 610. This is an incredible listing by a good friend of mine, Oscar Hernandez. I can't wait to show you this house for my debut on the American Dream TV. Let's check it out. Hey, Oscar, what's up, man?
Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome.
Thank you for bringing me out to this incredible house. I can't wait to see it and show it to our audience. It's beautiful.
Absolutely. We lovingly call this home the Tree House on Woodhill. And as we look around, you'll get an understanding why.
Let's check it out.
Let's go. So immediately when you come into the family space here, you have these soaring 20-foot ceilings, and as you look out there, you see this green ravine, and that's why we call it the Tree House on Woodhill.
Wow.
It's an amazing property. As you walk around, you'll see the deck go all the way down to the ravine. It lights up beautifully at night. Great home to entertain. Take a look around.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go check this out. Now we're at the Tree House at Woodhill, and one of the many things that I love about this house are the super high 20-foot plus ceilings, and then you got 28 feet plus in the other side of the house. You've got the open spaces. The modern contemporary style is to die for. So coming to the ravine on the outside of the house, you can tell that it was really built well architecturally, and not just that, this gets great drainage in case there's another catastrophic event like Hurricane Harvey. It also makes the house look like it's built really high when it actually is, because you have at least 12 plus feet from the ravine to the base of the house. So coming into the primary bedroom, I love the way this has an open space with high ceilings. You get plenty of natural light, and then you have the oversized closet and bathroom on your right side. Now coming upstairs, we have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and a nice den / game room where you can have the whole family get together and enjoy a nice movie. I love this house. It's absolutely incredible. That's about it for this house. I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry. Let's go check out one of my favorite spots to get a great bite to eat, locally owned and operated. Let's go. Yes! Now, whenever I'm in Memorial, I love coming to Jonathan's The Rub. This is one of my favorite spots in Memorial to eat. It's right in the neighborhood. We're right here at Memorial Green. Great location in between Beltway 8 and Gessner on Memorial. And it's a home feel, family owned and operated. I love this restaurant. Let's check it out. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Doing great.
Yeah, good to see you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming in.
So I love your restaurant. I said I want to come here and I want to showcase it to our audience.
Oh, cut it out, man.
And I love it here.
Oh, you're too kind to us. We love to see you. How's the wife?
Oh, great. She's doing great.
Good.
She's doing great.
She coming too?
Oh no, it's just me today.
Oh my God, we got the Hollywood star.
Yeah. Now that is a steak, medium rare. I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna dig in, and once again, 𝐷 with the American Dream TV. I'm gonna see you next time.